Timothy has come into Man from Self HQ for a haircut, style and beard shape up. Now Timothy already has a great hairstyle, so he didn't need a drastic change. Watch on to see how Charlie updates his look. Now Charlie didn't want to cut a huge amount off the length of the hair, as his style is all based around this natural movement. In terms of hair type, Timothy has relatively fine hair, but he has loads of it, really quite similar to myself actually. He likes to keep it longer on top and short on the sides. After washing the hair, Charlie started by cutting a flat side parting into Timothy's hair. Now like a lot of us, Timothy's got an area of hair that grows at an awkward angle, which can change direction. But by leaving the top layer just a bit heavier, it helps to create weight in the hair and stop it from spiking or sticking up. Now Charlie took around 2 centimeters off the top of the hair and also around the front, going freehand with scissors. As you'll see, the focus of the haircut was less about the top and more about the sides and the back. After cutting the top, Charlie sectioned the hair top from sides and blow dried it down. Into the back and sides, Charlie started with a grade 3 on the clippers, moving gradually down into a 2. He then tapered down into a 0 at the base of the neck. You'll see that Charlie really took his time with this to make sure there was an extremely precise and smooth graduation. So what do you think? Are you a fan of this look? Or maybe there's a hairstyle that you'd like in the future? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to show some support by hitting that like button. He then started to remove some of the weight and some of the bulk from the sides using scissor over comb. From the hair, it was then onto the beard. Now Timothy's got really great facial hair, but Charlie wanted to neaten it and also taper it to tidy it up. He used the clippers to taper from a 2 up to a 4 as he moved down the face and the beard, leaving it just slightly longer around the chin. He then moved on to the outline to neaten up the shape of the beard with the clippers. Sitting him back up, Charlie moved on to square off the moustache and the beard, making the length just a little more uniform. Now a top tip from Charlie is to keep the facial hair square. This helps to accentuate and define the jawline for a really masculine look. He then finished with a steam and a hot towel. Not only does this open the pores and soften the skin, but it's also hugely relaxing. Using Shiseido's men's shaving cream and a cutthroat razor, Charlie shaved around the beard line onto the cheeks and onto the neck. You'll see that it removed the stubble on the neck just to keep it really sharp. And if you like hair, grooming, skin and fragrance videos, be sure to subscribe to my channel right now. Go on, you know you want to. And from the beard back to the hair, you'll see that with fine hair like Timothy's, it's all about building structure. So into styling, Charlie started with a Vader Texture Tonic to pre-style. Now this product works similarly to a sea salt spray, coating the hair whilst giving it a really matte textured finish. When drying the hair, Charlie used a round brush to create height and volume in the top. He used a curling technique which straightens the hair out whilst creating this natural looking curve. To add more definition to the hair, Charlie used a Vader's grooming clay. You'll see he then used a little bit of Kevin Murphy's Free Rider to keep the hair styled, defined and moisturized. With the remaining product on his hands, Charlie lightly worked it through Timothy's beard just to add some shape. And finally, to keep everything in place, he used Bumble & Bumble's Does It All hairspray to provide a natural looking light hold. And there you go, a simple but extremely precise trim and tidy up for Timothy. Back to his best in Man from Self HQ. Now we've got plenty more, and I mean plenty more, cut and style videos coming up on here, so be sure to press subscribe right now, and if you've got a hairstyle suggestion, let us know in the comments below. But until my next new video, bye bye.